Best homemade orange peel face packs. Orange peel and lime face mask. Go ahead and take orange peel and grind it. Give a teaspoon of honey and something teaspoon of fresh lemon juice into it. Combine the two together nicely and apply this combine within the face and then leave it around the countenance for around 20 minutes and rinse the face area with a few warm water. Flower and orange peel mask. Go ahead and take peels of the fresh orange after include it with rose water to create a paste. Add flour inside it. This could allow it to be a lot more effective. Now, apply this paste over the face, rub it and then leave it on for 20 minutes. Now wash it with warm water. It is simple to get clear in addition to smooth skin. The face will glow for the first time whenever you follow this process for couple of weeks. Euro trademark time. Eco-friendly clay and orange peel mask. You have to have a medium-sized orange and extract juice from this. Also don't discard the peels from the orange. Dry it on the planet and make preparations a paste from it. Now pulverize the orange peel and combine it with the orange juice which was formerly getted from it. Have a spoon of eco-friendly clay powder and combine it with those. Include some milk powder towards the component, making it right into a paste. You should bear this paste for 20 minutes in your face after wash away with warm water. Orange peel and honey. You may also make a highly effective face pack with orange peel and honey. Pulverize dried orange peel and add 2 spoons of honey into it. Make it somewhat consistent, in order that it can be simply applied over the face. Use it and get skin that glows. Orange peel and turmeric face mask. Take an orange peel, add it turmeric powder and something teaspoon of honey. Then, grind this combine to create a fine paste. Apply this combine towards the face lightly together with your fingertips and then leave it on for around half an hour. Wash the face area with a couple warm water and discover amazing results with this particular face pack. It'll give you fresh and wrinkle-free skin.